Have you ever wondered how a huge airplane can fly in the sky? An airplane is very heavy, yet it rises into the air with ease. The answer is in the wings. When the airplane moves forward, air flows faster over the top of the wings and slower underneath. This creates low pressure above the wing and high pressure below it. The higher pressure pushes the airplane upward. This upward force is called lift. The engines do not lift the plane, they only push it forward. As the airplane moves faster, the lift becomes stronger, and the plane climbs into the sky. That is how humans learn to travel through the air. Simple science. Powerful result. Welcome to Airplane Fly.